Hi, hello learners. Nationalism in India. One mark questions, part 1. Question number 1. What was the reason for new economic and political situation in India? Answer: First World War. Question number 2. What was the cause of widespread anger in the rural areas? Answer: Forced recruitment. Question number 3. What led to extreme hardship for the people? Answer: Prices increased between 1913 to 1918. Question number 4. What was the result of crop failure in 1918-19 and 1920-21? Answer: Acute shortages of food. Question number 5. How many million people perished as a result of famine and epidemic? Answer: 12 to 13 million people. Question number 6. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned to India? Answer: 1915. Question number 7. What was the novel method of mass agitation introduced by Gandhiji in South Africa? Satyagraha. Question number 8. In which year Gandhi started Satyagraha in Champaran in Bihar? Answer: 1917. Question number 9. Why did Gandhi organize Satyagraha in Champaran? Answer: against oppressive plantation system. Question number 10. In which year Gandhi started Satyagraha in Kheda in Gujarat? Answer: 1917. Question number 11. Where did Gandhi started Satyagraha in 1918? Answer: Ahmedabad. Question number 12. When did a Rowlatt Act was passed? Answer: 1919. Question number 13. Name the assembly was passed a Rowlatt Act. Answer: Imperial Legislative Council. Question number 14. Which committee report was responsible for Rowlatt Act? Answer: Justice S.A.T. Rowlatt's committee. Question number 15. What was the other name of Rowlatt Act? Answer: the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act of 1919. Question number 16. What was the reason for a Rowlatt Act known as unjust law? Answer: it allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Question number 17. What was the response of Gandhi against the unjust laws? Gandhi started Rowlatt Satyagraha on 6th April 1919. Question number 18. When did the police in Amritsar fire upon a peaceful procession? Answer: 10th April 1919. Question number 19. Who was barred from entering Delhi in 1919? Answer: Gandhi. Question number 20. In which place martial law was imposed? Answer: Amritsar. Question number 21. When did the infamous Jallianwala Bagh incident happen? April 1919. Question number 22. Who was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh incident? General Tyre. Question number 23. Why did large crowd gathered at Jallianwala Bagh? Answer: to protest against the arrest of leaders like Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. Question number 24. What was the declaration of Dyer after the Jallianwala Bagh incident? To produce moral effect to create in the minds of Satyagrahis a feeling of terror and awe. Question number 25. Why did Gandhi call off a Rowlatt Satyagraha? Answer: after seeing violence spread. Bye. See you in the next video.